I learned this trick from a cleaner. Put the baking soda in the lemon peels. To start today's trick, we are going to use 3 lemons and cut them all in half. The idea for this tip is to use only the peels, so as soon as you cut everything in half, with the help of a juicer, we are going to completely extract the liquid from all the lemons. You can use it to make a juice or whatever you prefer. As soon as we have completely extracted the liquid from the shells, we will continue with our mixing. Now, in a pot, I am going to add a liter of water. We are also going to use the peels, being the main element for this recipe. In this way, we can completely eliminate what is contained in the pot and make use of this effective trick. As soon as they are at this point, we can add the baking soda, being one of the main elements of this suggestion, and the ideal amount to use being 2 tablespoons. We can already notice the effect of baking soda with lemon. It is what cleanses you with this trick. As soon as it is at this point, we are going to remove the pot from the heat and then, with the help of a sieve, we are going to completely remove the liquid. Then, we will also use 150 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar works directly in contact with the lemon and baking soda, making this trick perfect for use in your home. Finally, we will also add 100 milliliters of detergent. This ingredient is essential in the mixture for its ultimate action in removing stains and grease. Let's mix one last time, and with this, we have our trick for today ready to use. For ease of application, I'm going to put the liquid entirely in a bottle. The amount we have prepared is more than enough for use for at least 2 weeks. And before I forget, tell me what city you're seeing us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Alberto, Italy. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I am sure you will thank me for using this mixture. It works for all types of surfaces. I am demonstrating the use of this mixture directly in my kitchen. I even use it to clean the stove and also the oven. With weekly use of this mixture, I can directly prevent all stains. Here, even rust marks come off easily. Tell me later if you got the expected result for this trick. Thanks for watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next video.